Hello traders, welcome back to our channel, the Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your weekends. So, all right, let's prepare a bit for the upcoming week. In this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd, for upcoming weeks. And we'll look at what opportunities are in the upcoming week and which trade setups are expected to work. So, before start the technical analysis, let's have a look at the economic calendar for upcoming week. If you can see, there is multiple newses in upcoming week. As we can see, there is bank holiday of Australia and China on Monday. For that, we may see less movement in the gold market and other pairs also. So we may trade on Monday for small profit and with small SL. Okay, and of course we can trade in smaller time frame also on Monday because there is a chance of less movement in market. Okay guys, and after that on Tuesday we do not have any significant news of US, and there is only a GBP news, that is claimant count change, and it will provide some volatility on GBP USD and other GBP cross pairs. Okay, after that on Wednesday we have a big news, that is inflation data of US, is core CPI, and CPI year over year. Right after this news, we have a federal fund rates decision, and then after we have FOMC statement. So these two news may provide the direction in the market. So as my opinion, try to avoid trade during these newses. Okay, because right after this newses there is a fund rate decision and FOMC statement. So if you can see, the expectation of core CPI is same as the previous data, and the CPI month over month forecast is less than the previous data, and the CPI year over year forecast is same as the previous data. So if market give us some clue of growing inflation, if that means if the upcoming data, actual data of the core CPI showing some increment, or core CPI or CPI month over month, which is expected less from the previous data, if showing some increment, in that case we may see some bearishness on gold and bullishness on dollar index. So, but as my opinion, I will wait for this and the statement of FOMC for open the trade. So there is a federal fund rates on Wednesday 11:30 p.m. IST. As you know guys, Federal Open Market Committee members during this news, what they did, Federal Open Market Committee members vote on where to set the target interest rate, and traders watch interest rate changes closely, as relative short-term interest rates are a primary factor in currency valuation. Okay, and as we know, the impact of this fund rate decision and FOMC statement, there is a multiple impacts, as the federal fund rates can influence short-term rates on consumer loans and credit cards. Investors keep an eye out on the federal funds rate as well, because it has an impact on the stock market. Okay, guys, and it also impacts monetary and financial conditions of the country, which in turn have a bearing or critical aspects of the broader economy, including employment and growth and inflation, etc. For instance, a small decline in the rate can promote the market to leap higher as the borrowing cost of companies get lower. Okay, many stock analysts pay particular attention on statement by members of the FOMC to try to get a sense of where the target rate may be headed. Okay, so we'll plan our trade after release of the statement and fund rates, and hopefully fund rates will be same as the previous. There is less chance to cut the rate. In my opinion, the FOMC will not take. Let me delete first the drawing. Okay. In my opinion, the FOMC will not talk about rate cut yet, because the macroeconomics data which released in previous weeks still does not support a rate cuts. Okay. So it is possible that FOMC members will make hawkish statement about the dollar again this time. Okay. If they give us a hawkish statement, we may see. Let me open the dollar index chart on daily frame. As I told on my previous videos also, there is a good support and resistance in day frame, that is 105 and 104, and still it is ranging between this price. So if they gave us hawkish statement, we may see a breakout of this resistance and dollar will go up again for next 2 or 3 months. Uh, it may be on up to November 2024. Okay. In other hand, two countries have already cut their rates. Mind this thing also. If FOMC members give us some indication of dovishness or rate cut in near month or near months, we may see some bearishness and break this support level this time, and it will go bearish for long time. If dollar index break this support, that is 104, we will be bearish for long run in DXY. Okay. Or if dollar index break this resistance, that is 105, we will be bullish for 3-4 months on dollar. Okay. So let's look other newses. So we'll trade according to this statement and federal fund rates. After that, on Thursday, we have core PPI and PPI data. It will also a big news and give us extra volatility on market. So we'll plan according to this news, and I will also discuss the trade setups for these newses on Monday. After that, we have Bank of Japan policy rate on Friday. So be prepared for that also, and Trillium UM consumer sentiment at 7:30 p.m. Friday IST. Okay, that's all in fundamental for next week. So, all right, let's take a look at the technical part of gold. As we do always apply top-down approach to the market for technical analysis. And now we'll look at what opportunities are in the upcoming weeks. and which trade setups are expected to work for next week. As I already told, on Monday we may trade in smaller time frame, that is 15-minute or 30-minute frame, for smaller profit, that is 60-80 pips. And definitely according to the profit, our SL will be small, that is 20 to 30 pips in gold. Let's open the chart of gold. If you can see the last week candle, showing us a good rejection and selling by the smart money. And as I told you guys, if you have not seen our previous video, you can go to our playlist and watch the previous videos. I told many times, this for this level, that is 2380 to 85 level, it will work for swing trade. And look, approx 1000 pip gives us from this point. So in previous week we can see a good weakness in the gold market. There is a huge spike in the previous week candle, and volume was also high, so we can expect more selling on upcoming week. If we check the quarter report, that is commitment of trader report, you can see the non-commercial traders, that is smart money, are reducing their position. Even they are in long or short, they are reducing their positions. And as well as commercial traders are also reducing their position. So total approx 36,000 in long position and 31,000 in short position are reduced during previous week. So it shows us a uncertainty in the market. That's why the traders are cut their positions and from the gold market. So now is not a perfect time to open a swing trade for longer term. So we have to trade according to the reaction of the market. Okay. Okay. As per the previous candle, we are bearish on gold. Let me find the trade setups for selling next week. If we check on day candle, the last day candle was a very big candle as it engulfed the previous 10 to 11 days candle. That means it was a big selling on gold. So as per the technical structure, we only have to find the opportunity of selling in gold. Okay, don't try to buy on gold, because we know against the trend is always harmful for our psychology and our fund. So on day candle, it breaks the strong support also, and our support was there, that is 2325 level. Okay, and we have a day support here again. This is a strong day support again, and the value is 2276 to 2286. 2280 to 86 is a good support in day. If you want to buy trade on gold for smaller profit, you can initiate by if you get the price at 228082 level. Okay, for small profit like 100 to 150 pips. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour frame for intraday trading setups. Look guys, the on previous Friday we had seen some strong bearishness in gold, and the first good setup for selling is this is a kind of price action as market break this demand zone, and now it turned to a supply zone. If we get the price at 2335 to 2338 level, we may initiate a good sell for 200 to 500 pips also. Okay, so mark this price zone and put an alarm. Let me refine this zone in smaller time frame. Look, in 1 hour frame there is a supply candle. Okay, so there is a two confluences at 4 hour frame. Price action shows us a good selling position. In 1 hour frame there is a supply candle, and if we plot the fivo for this last swing, this is a 50% retracement level also. So this level will definitely work for us. So wait for this level and definitely will initiate a sell from here. Okay, there is a three confluences in this zone. So I am very confident for this zone. Okay. Okay. As the previous structure, if I mark the structure, as the previous structure was short-term bullish in 1 hour frame, now it break this bullishness and create a change of character here. This is a change of character. So this is also a good selling position for us. If market come and give us some profit from there and then break this resistance, then we have another selling position is there, that is 2350 to 53 level, 2350 to 55 level. So our second good selling position is there. If we get the price at this level, we'll also initiate a sell from here. Okay, this two sell setups for next week, and definitely it will work for us. For Monday and Tuesday, as there was no there as there is no any significant news in US, so we may expect a range bound market between this price. So we may trade between this range on Monday and Tuesday only. Okay, so if we get the price at this level, that is 2280 to 82 level, we may initiate a buy from here after getting some evidence. Okay, if market reject from below side and give us some spike or create a no demand candles with high volume, we may initiate a buy up to this level. Okay, and on Monday if we get the price at this level, that is 2310 level, we may initiate a sell from this level on Monday or Tuesday only. up to this level. These two trades for intraday trades on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, and on 4 hour frame there is nothing. This two level in 4 hour frame is very good zone for selling, and we have a selling zone here also for intraday on Monday and Tuesday, and we have a buying price at this level for Monday and Tuesday only. Okay, and that's all setups for next week, and definitely I will discuss more on Monday's videos, and I will give you new opportunities for trading in gold. And as I do, I upload a regular video on every day for daily trading purpose. So all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and strategies that really help you trade smarter and more profitably. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video on Monday. Until then, enjoy your remaining weekend and hope for the best for next week. Okay, bye bye, guys.